Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be kind of testing out nail polish slime. So this is kind of a tutorial slash test. So I've got these nail polishes here, and today if they will make slime with oil. This is kind of popular on YouTube right now, so I decided to test it out for myself, and I'm actually going to be making a bigger batch because I see too many tutorials on YouTube where they test this out, but they only make like the tiniest little drop of slime and you don't even know if it's slime or they're faking it. So yeah, let's get on to it. We're going to pour some oil into a bowl. I'm just using disposable things, yeah, just in case, you know, the nail polish decides to stick. So before we move on, I'm just going to tell you guys how this is going to go down. So I am going to rate this slime by percent. 100% perfect slime if it passes the 3 slime tests, if it's stretchy, if I can poke it, and possibly if I can swirl it, but we'll see. And 0% meaning not slime at all, not even comparable to slime. So let's get on to adding our nail polish. So I'm just going to add some nail polish in to it. So I think that's what they always do, is they just like literally just throw in a little tiny bit. I'm going to see if I can get this all in, but this stuff is pretty chunky. I'm going to pause the video and see if I can get this in. So I'm just going to let that stuff sit upside down. And I'm going to add in some purple. If this stuff will come out. There we go. This stuff looks a little bit liquidy, so I don't know how well it'll work. As you can see, it's just kind of like spreading out everywhere. And if you guys can see the little ball, that's nothing. That's just what mixes with the nail polish, so we'll take that out later. Now I'm going to add this pink. If it'll come out. This stuff doesn't even look like nail polish. Okay, so I have some nail polish in. I couldn't get a lot of it in just because they're so thick and old. So now we're just going to mix it up and see what happens. Whoa. That was unexpected. What about this stuff? So it's kind of like clumping into these little pieces and then it kind of clumps together. So that's kind of what it did on the other tutorials. So I'm just going to keep going. It in, and it's kind of clumpy and weird, but I think now I'm just going to go in with my hands and see if it'll turn into slime. This part might get a little messy, just for the warning if you're doing this along with me. It's not sticking to my hands. I hope I don't get this all over my freshly painted nails, because that would not be fun. Okay, yeah, that did not poke. It spreads like butter slime, which is kind of odd, but kind of cool at the same time. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Comment down below if you tried it out and tell me how it went for you. I'm really curious to know. I don't know if it's like certain nail polish or something that works for this. But yeah, I'm actually super happy with the result. It's very odd that this is just nail polish. I would give this in slime percentage probably a 70, which is pretty good. I am actually really happy with this. It's probably one of the better no glue slimes out there, like, that actually work, that you can like play with in your hands. So yeah. Anyway guys, bye!